Welcome to our guide on transforming your kitchen with a stunning island. A kitchen island is not just a centerpiece, but a multifunctional space that enhances storage, preparation, and social interaction in your home. Kitchen islands offer incredible benefits, from extra storage to additional seating. They create a natural gathering spot, making your kitchen the heart of your home, where family and friends can come together. When planning your kitchen island, consider the size and layout. Ensure it fits your space comfortably, allowing for movement and seating. A well-placed island can transform your kitchen's functionality and flow. Choosing durable materials is crucial for a lasting kitchen island. Opt for premium hardwoods like oak or walnut, which offer both beauty and resilience. Quality materials ensure your island withstands daily use and remains a timeless feature. Incorporate functional features into your kitchen island design. Adjustable shelves, pull-out drawers, and electrical outlets enhance usability. These thoughtful additions make your island a practical and enjoyable workspace. Explore stylish designs for your kitchen island. Whether you prefer a modern farmhouse look or sleek mid-century modern, customizing your island with unique hardware and finishes can make it a standout piece in your kitchen. At Fine Line Kitchens, Inc., we pride ourselves on craftsmanship and quality. Our kitchen islands are built to last, with premium materials and meticulous attention to detail, ensuring your investment is protected for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey to create your dream kitchen island. With Fine Line Kitchens, Inc., you can achieve a perfect blend of style and functionality. Let's start designing your ideal kitchen space today.